Did you know that over 70% of people over age 50 experience joint pain at least occasionally, and 60% have been diagnosed with some form of arthritis? Nearly half of those with arthritis report pain every single day. Many seniors accept this as just part of getting older, but here's the shocking truth. Much of that crippling stiffness, swelling, and ache isn't inevitable aging. It's driven by chronic inflammation raging quietly in your body. If ignored, this inflammation doesn't just stay in your joints. It accelerates cartilage breakdown, leading to bone-on-bone grinding, reduced mobility, more falls, and even higher risks of heart disease and diabetes. You could lose the ability to climb stairs, drive, or enjoy retirement on your terms. But today, I'm going to reveal the science behind why this happens, the common mistakes fueling it, and one simple, evidence-based food that can cut inflammation markers dramatically, giving you real hope for pain-free movement again. Stay with me. This could change everything for you or someone you love. To guide us through this, let's turn to the expertise of Dr. Maria Stella Miglietta, a board-certified rheumatologist with over 25 years of experience specializing in geriatric arthritis and preventative nutrition. Dr. Miglietta has treated thousands of patients over 60, helping more than 85% achieve significant pain reduction and improved function through evidence-based lifestyle changes, including targeted anti-inflammatory strategies. Her approach, backed by clinical studies and real patient outcomes, has earned recognition in leading medical journals. Today, we'll draw on her insights and the latest research to empower you with medically sound information. So, what's really happening inside your joints after age 60? As we age, our bodies naturally produce more pro-inflammatory chemicals, cytokines like IL-6 and TNF-alpha, while our ability to resolve inflammation declines. In the joints, this low-grade fire attacks the synovial lining and cartilage, the cushion between bones. Over time, cartilage thins, leading to osteoarthritis, the most common cause of joint pain in seniors. But here's the key. Studies show that up to 50% of adults over 65 have doctor-diagnosed arthritis, yet inflammation, not just mechanical wear, drives much of the pain and progression. Excess weight, poor diet, and oxidative stress amplify this, creating a vicious cycle. The good news is, inflammation is modifiable. By targeting it directly, we can protect cartilage, reduce swelling, and restore smoother movement, often without relying solely on medications. Understanding this biology sets the stage for powerful, natural solutions. Many seniors unknowingly fuel this inflammation with everyday foods and habits. Let's debunk 3 common culprits. First, processed sugars and refined carbs. Think sodas, candies, white bread, and pastries. Scientific danger: these spike blood sugar, triggering the release of cytokines that directly inflame joints and accelerate cartilage damage. Surprising study: research shows high sugar intake increases inflammatory markers like CRP by up to 200% in older adults, worsening pain and stiffness. Patient story: one of Dr. Miglietta's patients, a 68-year-old retired teacher named Margaret, loved her daily donuts and sweetened coffee. Her knee pain was so severe she needed a cane. Once she cut added sugars, her inflammation dropped, and within months she walked unaided again. Second, fried and processed meats like bacon, sausages, and fast food. Scientific danger: loaded with saturated fats and advanced glycation end products from high heat cooking, these promote oxidative stress and joint tissue breakdown. Surprising study: studies link frequent processed meat consumption to a 50 to 70% higher risk of inflammatory arthritis flares in seniors. Patient story: John, 72, a former truck driver, ate red meat daily. His hands swelled painfully from rheumatoid-like symptoms. Switching away from processed meats reduced his swelling dramatically. He regained grip strength to garden again. Third, excess omega-6 rich oils like corn, soybean, and sunflower oils in many packaged foods. Scientific danger: an imbalance of omega-6 to omega-3 fats fuels pro-inflammatory pathways, worsening joint erosion. Surprising study, diets high in omega-6 increase inflammatory proteins by 30 to 50%, while balancing them reduces pain scores significantly. Patient story, Evelyn, 67, relied on fried foods cooked in vegetable oils. Her hip pain limited her to short walks. Replacing those oils brought noticeable relief in weeks. These aren't moral judgments, they're science showing how small changes prevent big damage. Now, the hope. One standout food backed by robust research, extra virgin olive oil, especially high polyphenol varieties. Scientific benefit? EVO's oleocanthal and hydroxytyrosol act like natural ibuprofen, inhibiting enzymes that produce inflammatory compounds while protecting cartilage and reducing oxidative stress in joints. Successful study data? In the landmark PREDIMED trial and related studies on seniors, daily EVO consumption, about 4 tablespoons, reduced key inflammatory markers like CRP and IL-6 by up to 65% in older adults. Another meta-analysis showed EVO lowers inflammatory proteins more effectively than other fats, with pain improvement seen in 8 to 12 weeks. In arthritis patients, it rivals NSAIDs for reducing stiffness and swelling, but without side effects. Specific action plan? Aim for 2 to 4 tablespoons daily. Use it raw for maximum benefits. Drizzle on salads, vegetables, or fish. Cook with it at low to medium heat. It's stable and healthy. Choose extra virgin, cold-pressed, ideally high polyphenol. Look for robust, peppery taste. Start simple. Replace butter or vegetable oils with EVO in meals. Combine with a Mediterranean-style diet for amplified effects. Many of Dr. Miglietta's patients over 65 report 50 to 70% less pain and better mobility after consistent use. If this information is helping you see joint pain in a new light, please hit that like button. It helps more seniors find this video. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. We're dedicated to evidence-based tips for senior health, longevity, and thriving after 60. Drop a comment below. What's your age and what's your biggest joint concern? Knees, hips, hands? I'll read them and respond. In summary, by avoiding inflammatory triggers and embracing extra virgin olive oil daily, you can slash inflammation, ease joint pain, and reclaim your freedom. Imagine waking without stiffness, walking confidently, enjoying family time, preserving your independence, extending quality years, and slashing medical bills or hospital risks. You deserve an active, joyful life after 60. Start today with one small change. Add that EVO. You've got this. Thank you for watching. Subscribe now for more senior-focused health breakthroughs and share this with someone who needs hope. See you in the next video. Stay strong and mobile.